Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the system text-to-speech engine because it's the only consistent way on a PC. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Speech. Choose a voice and sample it so you know how it sounds. Once done, set that voice as the default and make sure your audio device is active. You do this now to avoid compatibility issues later and to ensure any app that calls the OSTTS will use the same, reliable voice and settings. Next, you feed text to the system engine. Use a text editor or an app that calls the Windows Speech API. Select the text and trigger narrator or your chosen hotkey. You should adjust rate and pitch in speech settings because natural pacing prevents robotic output. If you work with long documents, feed text in chunks from the clipboard or a simple script file to avoid buffer problems. Make sure to test short passages first so you can tune parameters before committing to long runs. Finally, you save or share the speech. Use the system Save to File option or run a short PowerShell script to capture TTS output to WAV, then convert to MP3 if needed. Normalize volume and confirm sample rate for consistency across devices. If you hit a dead end with no audio, first check the default audio device, mute switches, and recent driver updates. That single checklist fixes most failures. So inspect devices and drivers before changing voices or reinstalling components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.